Hi, my name's Daniel, developer at PPO, here to walk you through the timeline graph. Now, the timeline graph allows us to take a series of data points and plot them in an ordered fashion. How we order them can be through an integer field in PPO or a date field within PPO. Let's have a look at some examples. So on your demand dashboard, you have a scatter graph that gives you an indication of the funnel of demand records within your environment per cost estimate. We color these according to the business priority. Now, if we scroll further down, the demand timeline is also colored according to our business priority, but we've now taken the required end date of each demand record and plotted it on a timeline graph. Now, when you are using a timeline graph, your data set could have multiple points on the same date or very close to each other. So you can configure within the report configuration the ability to show or not show overlapping labels. So you can see this green medium demand sitting on our timeline doesn't have a label that's popping out the timeline. And that's because we've disabled overlapping labels. Now, because it's a date field, we've also configured the x-axis to be visible at the bottom. If I were to enable overlapping, you'll see there's that medium demand record overlapping its label over the Poppy portal demand record. Another alternative view is if we simply just order the series of data points according to the required end date. This is not using a specific date, but we're just using the date to order things. It gives you a different view and different markers displayed on the timeline. The final example that I wanted to show you is on your program dashboard. We have a timeline that indicates the upcoming program milestones. Because there are quite a few, right, we've disabled overlapping labels. And in this scenario, we're displaying the name of the project first, concatenated with the name of the milestone last. We're color coding that milestone according to the health of the project. So our business architecture blueprint project and our procurement module development project have some upcoming milestones and their health is currently amber. If you'd like to stay up to date with some of these features, navigate through to our website, go to ppo.com, hover over company and select the blog. Provide us with your email address, your first name, your last name, and click, you're signed up, and then you can stay up to date with the latest features coming out on PPO. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.